Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, backup camera, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Come see the car for yourself.